Hi, Harrison. Thanks for having me in. Global mindedness allows people to work and live harmoniously with others from anywhere in the world. It also allows us to be open to new knowledge and experiences, to appreciate diversity. Global mindedness develops respect, compassion. It encourages collaboration and intercultural understanding so that we can all live peacefully, positively, and productively together. Identities and relationships is a global context that considers what makes you different from others and what you share with others. This context can include themes like beliefs and values, spiritual health, human relationships, cultures, and really what it means to be human. Such knowledge is a starting point for understanding relationships, for understanding others in your community, and then beyond your community. Programs like IB encourage students to focus their area of interest through a global context like this one, identities and relationships, and then promote inquiry and understanding of our common humanity.